jatend migao mar weche mag tuke Ababu na Mwamba olero ni sirkal kokalo e migao mare biro mana siro riwruoge matayo tuke mopogore opogore pachoka mane kod timbe mag rowere kaachiel kod mag nyiri. Kowuoyo e tuke mag Magical Kenya Ladies Open, na Mwamba olero ni mano e yo makende ma Kenya nyalo tiyo godo e gero mich mag rowere.
Federations must be the breeding grounds for growing talent. That is why I have asked federations to invest in youth and grassroots development programs. Every federation must have a youth talent development program. And we are not going to give you any money just to host events if you do not have a robust youth development agenda. Teams participating in leagues like the Kenya Premier League, you must meet the requirement to have a senior team, a women team, and a youth team. That's the only way we can guarantee full development of this whole sporting ecosystem.